Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are conducting a detailed charging test for the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE using the official Samsung 25W charger. This test is done under switch off conditions to ensure accuracy, avoiding interference from background running apps, network activity or brightness settings. So let's dive in and see how fast this device charges from 0 to 100%. We have just plugged in the Galaxy S23 FE and it's at 0%. Let's begin. As this timer runs, I will also share some of the key specifications of this device. After 10 minutes, the Galaxy S23 FE has reached 20%. Not bad for a quick top-up. Now let's talk about its display. This phone comes with a stunning 6.4-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display offering a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels and a 120Hz refresh rate. It's perfect for gaming and watching videos. At the 20-minute mark, we are at 40%. Impressive progress so far. Speaking of performance, the Galaxy S23 FE is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset in the US and Exynos 2200 in other regions. Both variants ensure smooth performance for everyday tasks. 30 minutes in and the battery is at 58%. We are over halfway there. This phone packs a 4500 mAh battery, which is quite reliable for a full day of use even with heavy tasks. At the 40-minute mark, the battery is now at 74%. This phone also features a triple camera setup at the back, a 50 megapixel main sensor, a 12 megapixel ultra wide and an 8 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. It's a versatile setup for capturing stunning photos and videos. 50 minutes in and we are at 87%. The charging speed is consistent so far. By the way, this device also comes with IP68 water and dust resistance, making it durable for everyday adventures. After an hour, the battery is at 96%. It's almost there. Let's talk about the storage options. The Galaxy S23 FE offers 128GB and 256GB UFS 3.1 storage variants paired with 8GB of RAM for multitasking. After 1 hour and 5 minutes, we are at 99%. Just a little more to go. One more thing to note is that this phone supports Android 13 out of the box with Samsung's One UI 5.1, ensuring a smooth and customizable user experience. Finally, at 1 hour and 8 minutes, the Galaxy S23 FE reaches 100% charge. Considering the 4500 mAh battery and 25W charging speed, this is an excellent result. So there you have it. The Samsung Galaxy S23 FE takes just over an hour to go from 0 to 100% using the official Samsung 25W charger. If you found this test helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Tech Bunny channel for more tech reviews. Let us know in the comments what do you think about the Galaxy S23 FE's charging speed. All the related testing videos of this mobile link are in the description box and in the comments as well. Don't forget to check that. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.